everyone back to One Footed Phoenix. I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving holiday and you got to eat lots of yummy food. I know that I enjoyed time with my family and I hope that you enjoyed time with yours. Before I get into today's video, I wanted to bring to light that November is CRPS Awareness Month. If you didn't know already, CRPS stands for Complex Regional Pain Syndrome, and it is the reason that I eventually decided to amputate my leg. So if you want to watch more of that video and learn more about CRPS, I'll link the video in the description down below, and you can go check it out after this video. As the title of this video suggests, I wanted to give all of you guys an update on the bisphosphonates and how that treatment is going, as well as give you an update on my progress regarding my prosthetic, because everyone's been asking about progress with my prosthetic as well as progress with the bisphosphonates. So I thought it would be nice to give you an update here today and give you an update on little Nubbin. So things with the bisphosphonates are going really well. And when I say really well, I don't mean like it's given me the ability to wear my prosthetic again yet, but by really well, I mean that it is the first thing that's been working for me for a really long time. And I am really happy with the progress that I've made so far, even though it's not where I want to be completely like to the end yet. But the bisphosphonates have been helping me be able to wear a sock again on my leg. And I haven't been able to do that for about 6 months because I had a neuroma in my leg that I had to get taken care of back in May. And so I had a second revision surgery on my amputation leg, and I had to get that neuroma removed from my nerve so that I could hopefully wear my prosthetic comfortably. Now, unfortunately for me, not everything went according to plan with that surgery, and my leg got really super sensitive, and then I ended up falling. Shortly after that surgery, a couple months ago, I fell, and I haven't been able to wear my leg since I fell. And so things have been really up and down for me, but my doctor decided that he wanted to do these bisphosphonate infusions, and the bisphosphonate infusions have helped like a ton compared to everything else that I've tried. So I just keep praying and hoping that they continue to help. And thank you so much for everyone's prayers and well wishes for me along this journey so far. It means the absolute world to me. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. So moving right along, today we're going to be talking about the Smoov 1. This is one of the best things about being an amputee, and one of the best things about being a wheelchair user is wowing people with the Smoov 1. The Smoov 1 is a small unit that clips onto the back of any manual wheelchair, and it can turn it into a power wheelchair. It's like the coolest thing I have ever experienced as a disabled person. The Smoov 1 is my best friend anytime I want to go outside or anywhere in my wheelchair that I would normally have to push along. It saves my shoulders from being super sore and gives me the freedom and mobility to go and do things on my own that I normally wouldn't be able to do if I didn't have the Smoov 1. Having the independence to push myself and to be able to push myself in the wheelchair is a big deal to me, especially to my mental health and my mental well-being. It's a big deal to be able to have that independence to go where I need to go in the wheelchair and be able to keep up. Especially if we're going to the store or we're going outside for a walk, I'm able to keep up and push myself all on my own, and I don't need someone else there to push me anymore. And so I used to be super self-conscious when someone else had to push me because I was feeling more like a burden, but now that I have the independence to push myself, it's amazing, guys. Just so you know, this video was not sponsored by the Smoov 1 unit. They haven't sponsored me at all. I'm just talking about it because I really like it. The entire Smoov 1 unit weighs about 16 pounds. It can go up to 12 miles and has a range of about 6 miles per hour, which is actually pretty fast. The unit comes with an app as well where you can set your personal settings to the liking of yourself. It has tour mode, sport mode, it has an eco mode, as well as you can set a custom mode. Each mode affects how the unit will perform and the maximum speed it will perform at. Personally, myself, I like mine in sport mode because I like to be a speed demon, but you know, you might not like yours quite so fast. The best part about the Smoov 1 unit is that most insurances cover the entire unit. And in my case, my insurance did cover the unit when medical need was justified, as I am a young, tech-savvy person that just needs to get around, and so I was able to get the unit paid for by my insurance. Now, you don't need to be super tech-savvy to use the Smoov 1 unit, you just need to know how to hook it up to the app, and how to turn it on and things like that, how to troubleshoot the equipment, and all of those things can be found in the Smoov 1 unit handbook that they give you with the unit. I'm going to be sticking a link down in the description down below where you can try out a Smoov 1 unit for free on your wheelchair. The Smoov 1 is controlled by a bar that hooks on into each of the wheels of your manual wheelchair on the sides here, and then you control it with this remote that lets you go faster or slower. You just turn the knob to go faster or slower and you hit the middle button to stop. Thank you for coming and watching this video. I hope that it brought you value and joy to your life. If it did, make sure to smash that like button so that more people can see this video. If you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here and we'll see you all in the next video. Have a very Merry Christmas!